Hi everyone. I'm feeling a little bit better today. Our tummies are still a little sensitive. Both my girls are homesick because this flu just doesn't want to let go of us. It kind of likes us a little bit, I think. But anyway, today is my youngest daughter's birthday, Bailey. She is 11 years old. And what you're looking at is some chocolate cupcakes and the decorations that are on them. They're little ladybugs. I don't know if you can tell. But I got these at a party supply store here in town about a year ago, I think. Just thought that they would be kind of cute little cupcakes to make with the kids sometimes, and I wasn't exactly sure when I would use them. And then I thought, well, you know what? She isn't really feeling well, and she may not want a cupcake, but at least these little guys are adorable to kind of put a little smile on her face anyway. I mean, after all, it is her birthday. So that's what's going on here. I hope everything is well in your neck of the woods. I don't really have a recipe or a video like saying what I'm eating because basically I'm taking it pretty light. I legit had water and coffee for breakfast this morning. And just like a plain sandwich for lunch. So nothing too spectacular, kind of bland to try to get everybody's and my own tummy back into the swing of things. So hopefully next week will be a normal week where I can show you some decent recipes. But I thought I'd show you these because they are just too cute, and Bailey really loves them. A couple of them she helped me make, and then she went to go lay down and watch Nickelodeon. So anyway, I hope you all have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow.